Okay, now we continue with our check the double entry. So we can go to transition number 3, pin batch of transition, and we can select from just for January batch book, from January until general journal for January. Then we can sort by the date. Okay, then we can check one by one. Sales, purchase, bank journal, cash journal. Of course, some transaction we want to update, like I find out some transaction without the reference number we want to update, then we just press double click. Okay, then we can select edit, then we update the reference number under here, or we just save. We can use re-edit, then update our double entry by the part like PC 001. Okay, then CS 001 as a sample. Okay, so we can update with fast way. Then we can update the date. Normally you want to update, you need to update both debit side and credit side. Then you need to update the reference number, or you want to change the account code. Okay, or you want to change the balance of the double entry. After you change it, then you save. So beside you have the duplicate of the double entry, like the 800 transaction I duplicate, I do 2 times, then we need to delete it. Else normally we just press purchase for it, payment, sales, just update at here. So with all the transaction we can update. Beside some transaction is a duplicate, like cash sales 500, I do the duplicate, I do the wrong number, then I want to delete. Like the last transaction I want to delete it. Okay, so I can, as a sample, I take one transaction to delete it. Okay, so I put accelerate, full accelerate. Okay, full accelerate. Okay, until the end. And the balance we change to 0. So after that we save it. Then we got another part we need to do. We need to exit. Then we find out the other 2 transactions we want to delete. We just need to mark it first, mark with accelerate first. Then later we got second step. We need to go to housekeeping, file organization number 4, unmark all. Then we just take delete unwanted transaction with mark accelerate. So we just press OK. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so update complete. Then we check again with our transaction batch of transaction. We check the batch one by one. Okay, 1 until 5, batch 1 until batch 5. So sales, purchase, bank. So just now the bank official receipt 500 is deleted. So for our transaction that did not provided the button for the delete transaction, so it's not recommend us to delete the transaction. Then more recommend you just try to edit the transaction. It's possible. Beside some transaction is duplicate, or you really want to delete the related transaction, so you need to follow 2 steps to do it. They make it difficult to delete. Okay, So exit. So now after we checking, then we can just exit, cancel. So after you do the delete or do the edit your transition, better you redo one times for your file organization, remove the num value, rearrange all the file, set the infinity number to 0. Maybe we better run one times for update our data, okay, to prevent our transition have the error. Okay, update complete. Okay, so this session we stop.